In today's engineering world, the ability to design and simulate products digitally is not just an advantage, it's essential. At Skill Development Institute Bhubaneswar, we bring to you a future-ready course in CAD/CAE design and analysis powered by Siemens to help you design better, faster, and smarter.
Hello, I am Diptirachi Mohanty, mentor for the CAD CAE Design and Analysis course. Here we will train the student to model, simulate and analyze the engineering product using globally adopted tools Siemens NX, SimCenter 3D, StarSystem Plus and NMS TestLab. This is a completely application-oriented program focused on real-world engineering challenges.
The course provides in-depth knowledge across the complete design and simulation workflow. You'll start with 2D and 3D CAD modeling in Siemens NX, move into kinematic and dynamic simulations, and advance into finite element analysis using SimCenter for stress, thermal, and vibration analysis. The LMS Test Lab module will expose you to real-time data acquisition, NVH testing, and validation techniques.
By the end of this program, you will be able to solve complex mechanical problems, optimize component performance, and validate design using industry standard tools.
You will get exclusive training in Siemens Digital Engineering Suite, a platform trusted by global leaders in automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. These are the same tools used to develop real-world products, from engines to electric vehicles and everything in between. This course prepares you for high-demand roles such as CAE Analyst, Design Engineer, Simulation Specialist, Validation and Testing Engineer. Whether you aim to work in core mechanical sectors or advanced product engineering, this training builds the foundation you need. This is a 3-month advanced training program, specially designed for graduates in mechanical, automobile, or production engineering. The total course fee is 15,000 rupees, which includes hands-on training, comfortable hostel accommodation, nutritious meals, and access to a high-speed Wi-Fi enabled campus, all within a secure, learning-focused environment.
You will be a part of focused and immense environment where your only goal is to build skill that the industry truly values.
If you're ready to upgrade your engineering career, apply now for the CAD/CAE Design and Analysis course at SDI Bhubaneswar. Visit www.sdibhubaneswar.co.in or call 8280109799 to get started. Skill Development Institute Bhubaneswar, skilling youth, enhancing livelihoods.